In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set hexagon cluster layout in Excel. This is a quick way to turn a regular picture into a polished SmartArt arrangement that looks organized and professional with almost no manual formatting. Start by making sure your worksheet already contains the picture you want to arrange. Then, click the picture to select it. You'll know it's selected when small handles appear around the edges and the ribbon at the top shows a contextual tab labeled Picture Format. If you don't see that tab, click the image again or make sure you're not selecting a shape, chart, or cell. This option only appears when an actual picture is active. With the picture selected, look along the Picture Format tab for the control called Picture Layout. Depending on your window size, it might appear as a button with a small gallery icon. It typically lives in the SmartArt Styles area. Clicking Picture Layout tells Excel to convert your single image into a SmartArt picture layout, which means Excel will handle the positioning and spacing for you. This is especially helpful if you want a clean, repeatable design without nudging objects around by hand. When the layout gallery opens, choose Hexagon Cluster. Hovering over it shows a live preview. Clicking applies it. Excel will immediately place your selected image into a Hexagon Cluster SmartArt. You may see additional hexagon placeholders around your picture. Those are there so you can expand the design later if you want to add more images. For now, the key is that the hexagon cluster layout is applied and your picture is positioned inside that geometric arrangement. If the result looks too small or too large, drag the corner handles to resize. The entire cluster scales proportionally. You might also notice that colors or styles adjust slightly when the SmartArt is created. That's normal. SmartArt applies a default style to keep everything consistent. You can keep it as is for a clean look, and any fine-tuning can be done later without changing the fact that the hexagon cluster layout is set. If you don't see the Picture Layout button, maximize your Excel window or widen the ribbon area and confirm the image is properly selected. The option won't appear for non-picture objects. And that's it. Click the picture, choose Picture Layout, then select Hexagon Cluster. You now have a neat, visually balanced hexagon cluster layout in Excel with just a couple of clicks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating sharp-looking visuals with less effort.